Did you know air pollution causes millions of health issues every year? EcoSense Oxitex monitors air quality in real time, helping you stay safe and informed. We often heard about climate change, pollution, and health risks, but the truth is most of us don't actually know what we're breathing every day. In the Philippines alone, air pollution contributes to thousands of premature deaths each year, and many communities lack the proper tools to detect unsafe air conditions. Schools, workplace, and public spaces rarely have an affordable or accessible way to monitor the environment around them. This is where our product comes in. Our Oxitex and air quality monitoring system that gathers real-time pollution data using affordable and reliable sensor modules. These devices detect key pollutants such as carbon dioxide, nitrogen compounds, and smoke. These are the substances that greatly influence respiratory health and overall comfort. The idea is simple. If people know the quality of the air they're breathing, then can take action to protect themselves. So, how does the system work? Our system uses a microcontroller board connected to MQ3 gas sensor for pollutant detection, a DHT22 sensor for temperature and humidity, and a Wi-Fi module for wireless communication. The readings appear on an LCD and are automatically sent to a central database for monitoring and analysis. Our product follows a modular layout to make deployment, maintenance, and upgrade easy. The design ensures accurate readings and stable wireless transmission across different monitoring points. One of the strengths of this project is its affordability and accessibility. Traditional air monitoring stations can cost millions and are usually fixed in one location. Our system, on the other hand, is compact, portable, and much more cost-effective. Anyone from small communities to budget-conscious institutions can deploy it without needing special trainings. Our plan is to install multiple Oxitec monitoring units around Lipa City, particularly in high-traffic or high-emission zones. The collected data will be accessible to LGUs, environmental agencies, and the general public. This will support programs related to traffic regulation, emission reduction, and environmental health. Our main users include LGUs responsible for environmental and health initiative. Other users include the LTO, vehicle inspection teams, public health agencies, and schools, advocacy group, and residents affected by heavy traffic. Oxitec provides accurate air quality monitoring devices and reporting service to individuals, schools, offices, and local governments units. Our revenue streams include device sales, subscription-based access to detailed air quality reports, and consulting service for environmental planning. We reach customers through direct sales, partnership with institutions, and community awareness programs. By combining reliable data with educational resources, we aim to empower communities to take action for healthier environments while creating a sustainable and scalable business. Behind Oxitex is a dedicated team by Mia May C. Rodriguez, the designer, Ana Kristen Di Tolentino, hacker, Shirin Imendanya, also a hacker, Adrian R. Panganiban, a Maven, Vincent George, and Francisco, the Scrum Master. Together we combine skills in hardware design, programming, research, and system integration to bring this project to life.